Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm the Kaisa, the little Kaisa. We're getting to the fifth loop. Yay! I miss you a lot. Do you miss me? I'm sorry to miss you. I was reading all day. Then I will go to school tomorrow. Today vlog is about walking in my little garden. Let's go to see my garden. Look, there it's the river. There's the excavator. It's working so hard. I know about this. It's so windy. I'm getting too cold. So cold. It's windy. Look at the blue sky. It's so windy. And tomorrow one day it was raining, and then it was windy, and it was the moon got wrong. I'll show you something. My wheel was fractured. It's moved too fast. And it's made of wooden. Let's drive it. It's bouncy. Look, this is my riverside. What is that sound? It's my bond. It will grow anything. Let's go to my little garden. The wheel's fractured. Look at me. Let's do. Too cold, you. Let's go to home. But wait, don't forget to subscribe and share and like my video. Bye. You know about me. Bye. See you soon. But then the eagle rock. Bye. Thank you for watching my video.